I'm Liz. I live here with my husband Andy and my daughter Tabitha and my dog Bagel, and we've lived here since 2016. We live in Ravenswood Manor. Our basement was completely unfinished, and we decided we needed a second bathroom. We had a baby on the way, and we thought a second bathroom would be nice, so the basement was where we decided to build it out. The first step was figuring out the water situation. A lot of times when it rained, we did get water. So we had the drain tile done around the entire perimeter of the basement, which was a big project. Once the drain tile was done, we thought now is time, it's safe to put a bathroom down here. We knew we wanted it to look authentic to our bungalow, but also be more modern and minimalist. So we opted for black and white hex tile on the floor, the cabinet doors, the double vanity, a little toilet paper built-in that my husband made, and of course, our reclaimed door. The reclaimed door is probably my favorite feature of the bathroom. It's very green because it's a salvage door. Supposedly it's from the 40s. My husband had to strip it and sand it and refinish it, and then he added film and the WC lettering, and he turned it into a sliding door with some hardware in it. It is one of our favorite features, and I mean, aside from his labor, which happened to be free, it was less than $100. When we set out to design the bathroom, we weren't necessarily thinking about making it green. We were just thinking about making smart choices. So that included the dual flush toilet, the tankless hot water heater. There's a towel warmer. When the radiators are on, the towel warmer is on, but it keeps the towels warm, dries them quickly so they stay fresh longer, so you don't have to wash them and dry them as often, which saves on laundry costs. The floor is actually heated as well, which is a really efficient way to heat the room. Another option, which is maybe not glamorous, is that we decided to keep the cast iron pipes in the basement. There was an option to lift them up into a soffit. They would have replaced them with PVC. The world doesn't need more PVC. And we decided that the cast iron, even though it's a little lower than maybe we would have liked, it's part of the basement, it's still a basement. It feels really nice and bright in there, and they're original to the house, so that was special that we kept it. Our bathroom is the nicest room in our house.